Let's get crazy today! Hello everyone, today is gonna be epic. Look at this beast. This is the fastest mountain bike in the world. Look, it's got an 80cc engine that's been bolted onto it. I found this beast on Facebook Marketplace, 100 quid for a motocross bike. So I got it, and today we're gonna be sending it on this thing. Let's just jump straight in actually. Look how easy and fun it is to create excitement. So you pedal along normally, go into the shop, and then, oh quick, I'm late. Dump the clutch and send it! Let's get crazy today! Oh, I'm so happy with this purchase. The brakes don't really work that well, and as you can see here, this is the clutch mechanism. So when you pull this in, the bike rolls freely and you can pedal it. Then when you dump that out, it then becomes the motorbike. But it sort of blocks the brake here, which is kind of annoying. So it's super sketchy to use. We want to see what sort of action we can get on it today. I think I'm just going to go for a wheelie first, and then it's Lewi's turn to see what it's like. Whoa! Oh no. Need to go faster for the wheelie, I think. That was so scary. The brake doesn't work really, so it's death to wheelie. How can so much fun exist? Have a go, Lewi. It's incredible. What do I do then? Can't really remember what you said.
Right, just pull that in.
Yeah.
If you push that in now,
yeah,
then it locks that, and then you just dump it when you're pedaling, and then pull the throttle.
Alright.
And then that's the kill switch.
Oh yeah.
If you need to.
Cool.
Get it loose.
That's so funny. As you can see there, it's super easy to ride and awesome fun. I'm going to see if I can get a bit of air now. I'm going to get a run up there, fire some leaves, then hit that bump and see if we can get this thing airborne. Let's fire it up. Yes! Well, we've seen it can get air now. I say we move to a local riding spot and see how some jumps, trails and excitement will be handled by this beast. Let's get out of here. After that successful warm-up, we've decided to bring it to the same place where we tried the cake bike for the first time, which is a small little pit bike track. So let's see how it's going to handle in the big league. Here we go. Pedal a bit for extra boost. So funny. That is so fun. It's so bad that it's so fun. I mean, it's the best thing ever. This is actually what dreams are made of. Let's get an insane, fully motocross leg out berm smash down there. Little bit too underpowered to get a full digger leg out moto turn. I'm going to see how fast I can come in now, just stood up and just hit it like without shutting off. See what happens. Then it's Lewi's go. Incredible. It's your turn, Lewi.
I've seen some jumps, so might try and hit them. Seems to work quite well on jumps, despite it being so weird throttling into a lip rather than pedalling into one. But since it works on these, I think Sam should send a whole trail.
This is it. Let's see how this thing's going to perform the whole way down this trail. Dropping in. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Keep coming off. Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Incredible! Lewi, you're gonna love it! Lewi, it's your turn. Get some cutties on there. Throttled cutties.
That looks like the ultimate cutty machine. I'll show you. Oh yeah. Oh. Wow. That's well cuttyable.
Oh, my feet!
Sick. Okay, the cutties on this are so good, so I'm going to go up again and you can get me a slow-mo if you'd like.
Alright, get it.
Luke, that was so good. I have to have another go. Who'd have thought £100 would be this much fun? I'm so excited for the next episode already, where we tune it and put huge Fox 40s on it, massive off-road tyres, good brakes, and go flat out. Oh, and maybe tune the engine. Right, let's get some huge cutties. Wow! Yes! Speechless. That's just next level, isn't it? So let's go and see if that step up works then. A wild Lewi experiences the power of two-stroke. We're at the classic step up spot now. Let's see how good this is at getting air. So good. I think if I lower the seat, it's actually going to be a perfect SUI machine. So let's get that dropped a little bit. Then the trickery can continue. This is life-changing. Dreams do come realities, don't they?
For the finale of the video, we're going to have a little challenge. There's a trail that rides all along the side of the woods here. We're going to start at the top and time each other, and whoever is fast, this is obviously the winner, and they can be called the ultimate petrol 80cc master of the woods. Are you ready, Lewi?
That's it.
Let's get it.
Okay then, let's do it. Back wheel on the line, and then dropping in. Oh no! Oh, I had a bit of a stall. Oh no! Oh, I'm down. That's so annoying. Oh, I'm gonna go again. Back wheel on the line. Let's go. Whoa! Bit of braking there. Quick! Oh, it's so slippy. This stick.
How was that?
Well, I went again because I crashed first. But yeah,
Okay, cool.
it's quite difficult.
I'm gonna give it a go. Give me your helmet if you got the mounts on. Nice. Let's see how I fare then. Okay, here it is. There's the stick. Let's see if I can beat his time. Let's get it. Whoa! Oh my god! Hey! Oh! 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 Crashed through the finish. That's what I did. I just grabbed the front brake, you know, because I pulled the wrong one. Okay, let's see who won then.
After some heavy racing action there in the 80cc Bicycle Woodland Challenge, the winner is me! Hey! Epic! Well, what an incredible day it has been on this absolute beast. I definitely didn't think it would last this long. It is so much fun. I love the fact that it can be swapped onto another bike. So for the next episode, this engine will be on another bike. So you should let me know some ideas, what sort of bike we should build and what you want to see next. But unfortunately, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That'd be awesome if you leave some comments, and it'd be sick if you subscribe. See you in the next one. Let's go!